Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this delicious bitter leaf soup together. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this bitter leaf soup. The onugbu, which is bitter leaf that we are going to be using for this soup. It is called Ofe Onugbu from the eastern part of Nigeria. So we are going to be making this Ofe Onugbu soup. So the first thing on my list is my beef, the onugbu itself, which is the bitter leaf, cow skin, titus, roasted titus fish, panla, dry fish, stockfish, crayfish, pepper, and our thickener, which is cocoyam. I've already boiled the cocoyam and I blend it, and that is my fermented glucose beans. You can pound your cocoyam or you blend it if you have a strong blender. I blend mine. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to boil my meat and the cow skin. If you know your cow skin is not that tough, don't boil it at the same time. So mine is tough and I'm boiling it with the meat at the same time. The only thing I'm going to be adding to this is just seasoning cube, salt, and onions. We don't need any spice for this soup. So I'll cover it and allow it to boil on its own juice. I'm not going to add water at all to this meat. It's going to boil on its own. So after some time, I come back to check on my meat and my meat is tender. You can see I didn't add any water to it. See the water that comes out of the meat. So now I'll bring everything into my pot, the whole fish, the dry, the panla, and the roast fish, the stock fish too. So I'll mix everything together, add in the pepper, so I'll add enough water that will be enough for me to cook this soup. Add in the crayfish. I'll add in my palm oil. Cover it and allow it to boil. You can see everything is boiling, so I'll mix it very well and add in my thickener, which is the cocoyam paste. So mix that in very well and cover it and allow it to boil. Sorry guys, I'm supposed to add my fermented glucose beans. I'll add that to it, cover it, and leave it for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm back to my soup. You can see how everything is boiling, bubbling. See the color. We don't want it too thick or too light. I am okay with the thickness. The next thing is for me to add in the bitter leaf, which is the onugbu itself, the star of the soup. So it's as simple as this, guys. Just turn it in, cover it for like 1 minute or 2, and the soup is ready to be served. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button. And if you are new here, you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. You can see our bitter leaf soup, very delicious and yummy. If you are the one that have this pot of soup, what are you going to have it with? Let me know in the comment section. But to me, what is bitter leaf soup without fufu? So I'll be having mine with apple, which is fufu. Very delicious and yummy. Thank you all so much for your support. See you all in my next one. Bye.